If you're thinking about buying Workfront for your business, there are a few things you should know first, especially when comparing it to competitors like Monday.com or Asana. This tool promises to help streamline your work management processes, but is it really the right fit for you? Here are the 12 key things to consider before you make your decision. First, Workfront's strength lies in its project management features. Unlike simple tools like Trello, Workfront offers deep integration with your business's entire workflow, providing more advanced features like time tracking, reporting, and budgeting. This is especially useful for larger teams with complex project needs. Next, the interface. Workfront's UI is relatively clean, but it can feel overwhelming for new users due to the many customizable options. While it's not as intuitive as Monday.com or Asana for beginners, it's powerful once you've spent some time with it, offering a much more tailored experience. The third thing to know is Workfront's collaboration tools. Unlike more straightforward tools, like Basecamp, Workfront excels in managing and tracking tasks across large teams. You can easily assign, comment, and track progress on projects, ensuring no task gets overlooked, making it a great fit for larger organizations. The fourth thing to consider is its integration capabilities. Workfront offers integration with tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Google Drive, but it's not as seamless as some of the competition. If you rely heavily on these integrations, it may require extra configuration and effort to sync everything. Next, let's talk about pricing. Workfront is priced higher than simpler tools like ClickUp or Asana, which may be more suitable for small businesses or those just starting out. Workfront's pricing is better suited for mid-sized to large enterprises that need its more advanced features and are willing to pay for them. The sixth point is customer support. Workfront offers great customer service with dedicated support teams, but their response times can vary, and it's not as fast as the instant chat support you'll find with competitors like Monday.com. Expect more personalized service, but with longer wait times. Next, consider the learning curve. This platform is feature-rich, which means the learning curve can be steep. While there are plenty of tutorials and guides, Workfront isn't as user-friendly as other tools, which can delay implementation. Be prepared to invest time into getting comfortable with the system. The eighth thing is its mobile app. Workfront's mobile app is functional, but it's not as robust as some other apps like those from Monday.com or Asana. If your team frequently works on the go, this might be a drawback, as Workfront's app lacks some of the advanced features of the desktop version. Now, let's talk about reporting. Workfront excels in its reporting and analytics tools. Unlike basic software that only tracks your tasks, Workfront's reporting system provides detailed insights into how your projects are progressing, making it ideal for teams that need to track resource allocation, project timelines, and other metrics. Next, the customization options. Workfront shines when it comes to customization, allowing you to tailor your workspace and dashboards to meet your needs. This is an area where it stands out compared to simpler tools like Trello, which can feel rigid in comparison. The 10th thing you need to know is its security features. Workfront takes security seriously, offering enterprise-level security with features like single sign-on, SSO, and data encryption. If your business handles sensitive data, Workfront's security features might be more appealing than those of simpler tools, which don't always offer the same level of protection. The 11th point is scalability. As your company grows, Workfront will grow with you. Unlike some tools that struggle to keep up with the needs of larger organizations, Workfront's features are designed to scale easily, which makes it ideal for businesses looking for a solution that can support them long-term. Finally, the last thing you need to know is that Workfront is a great tool, but it's not for everyone. It's best suited for mid to large-sized teams with complex needs and the budget to match. If you're a small business or a startup, you might find that Workfront's features are overkill for your needs, and something like Monday.com or Asana could be a better fit. Workfront is a solid choice for businesses needing robust project management features, but if you're looking for something with a simpler interface and lower price point, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.